Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on Communication Engineering. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on I pattern. On completion of I pattern, the students will be able to define I pattern, define the interpretation of the I pattern. So first, what is meant by I pattern? The I pattern, this will be mainly used to study the effect of ISI in baseband digital transmission. So when the sequence is transmitted over the baseband binary data, the transmission system, the signal obtained at the output, that is y of t, is a continuous time signal. So ideally this signal should be high and low depending on the symbol that is transmitted. Because the nature of the transmission channel, the signal becomes continuous with increasing and decreasing amplitudes. So the figure A shows the binary sequence that is transmitted. Then the figure B shows that the signal y of t is obtained at the output, also shows the various sampling instance t1, t2, t3, etc. So thus this will be based on the signal obtained over the period. So TB between two sampling instance, decision is taken by a decision device. So this is the figure. We have to see the binary sequence transmitted, received signal by baseband transmission, and I pattern signal, then I pattern of a number of bits in waveform. So if we cut the signal y of t in each interval, so and place it over one another. So this diagram will be called as the I pattern of the signal y of t. The name I is given because it looks like I. This pattern is obtained on CRO if we apply y of t to one of the input channels and apply an external trigger signal of 1 by TBH. This makes the one sweep of P equal to TB seconds. So the large number of bits of the sequence, then I pattern will be seen in the figure D. So this is the diagram for the interpretation of I pattern. So in the thing, the width of the I opening, this will be mainly defines the intervals over which the received wave can be sampled without error from inter-symbol interference. So it is preferably to sample the instant at which the I is open width. So the sensitivity of the system to timing error is determined by the rate of the closure of the I as the sampling time is varied. The sensitivity of the height of the eye opening at the specified sampling time is usually called as the margin over the noise. As the effect of inter-symbol interference, this will be increases the eye opening reduces. If the eye is closed completely, then it is possible to avoid errors in the output. So here we are having almost the three identical phasors problems will be attained in the inter-symbol interference. So if this will be increases, the eye opening will be reduces. So basically the eye will be normally closed, then it is not possible to avoid the errors at output. So the quiz question is based on the I pattern is the I diagram gives an idea of dash. Thank you.